Is this the mobile pickup?
No, it's downstairs.
I thought I followed the sign.
You did.
Oh, okay, it's not the other doors over there. Oh, there it is. I missed it.
Walt Disney World has decided to add DVC membership to its Magic Kingdom resort, Fort Wilderness. The cabins have been here since the resort's opening in 1971. According to a cast member I spoke with, the demolition of the cabins is supposed to start in December or January. Disney states it will have the new style camping sheds ready for 2024, and these will be open for Disney Vacation Club membership. I remember going to the fort when the trains were still running many, many years ago, and my kids have grown up going to the campgrounds and staying in the cabins. In fact, my son has his own YouTube channel called Fort Wilderness Ricky. So this news is not something I am very excited about. I also inquired about what was going to happen to the 2 special cabins that are on Loop 100. These cabins were originally built as models for the park guests to look at that were coming over from Magic Kingdom for the day. At this time, they are to remain as camping cabins. Of course, it was like winning the lottery to stay here, so I can only imagine how much harder it will be in the future. We were lucky enough to get to stay in them once, and here's a link to that video. It is also sad to watch the inside of Trails Inn being torn apart to make room for a quick kiosk-style dining. Along with that, we can see here them clearing trees by the old entrance. During construction, you can still get food from PJ's by mobile order, and the pickup entrance is going to be around the back through the old arcade. I am Nikki, and this is Nick's Picks. Click here to subscribe. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment, and we'll see you real soon.